SUI could fall 2.8% by July 13, based on data from 30 rates. To begin, let's check the current market development. SUI is currently showing a 0.1% decrease over the last 24 hours and is priced near $0.7392. Let's head into the forecast segment. The model from Traders Union points to a drop towards $0.73331 by tomorrow, a decline of around 0.8%. CoinCodex expects SUI could approach $0.7278, an estimated move down of 1.6%. CoinLore notes it may drop towards $0.7243, an estimated fall of 2%. Another prediction from 30 rates notes SUI may fall towards $0.7185, an estimated move lower of 2.8%. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector points towards $0.7084 by tomorrow, a drop of 4.2%. This is the highest yield forecast we've reviewed. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a drop of 4.2% and a decline of 0.8%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Gov Capital Collector takes the lead with 4.2% improvement in value by July 13. From this, it's clear you could earn between $8 and $42 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, Traders Union's forecast is at the top of the chart, with a 91% chance of success. From the 5 forecasts, I've developed one aggregated consensus scenario. The consensus base case points to SUI near $0.7224. Alright, let's drill into it. The consensus projection points to a 2.3% drop in price by tomorrow. Put differently, your capital could also benefit by about 2.3% as part of that movement. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $23 under this forecast. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 82.8%. Before diving deeper, let's take a look at the 3-day projections. Traders Union suggests bearish momentum will dominate. The outlook from likewise CoinCodex shows the price drifting lower. Similarly, CoinLore notes bearish momentum building up. 30 rates suggest SUI could extend its climb. Gov Capital Collector expects a bearish continuation. The consensus forecast shows SUI with a clear bias to the downside during this horizon. So, 80% of analysts forecast that SUI may decline over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. In the end, yesterday's record shows a close at $0.7289. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. Best forecast on accuracy came from 30 rates. Let's put all the pieces in place. Yesterday's price action included 2 forecasts within the limits. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but CoinLore achieved the strongest gain at 1.3%. Here's the full overview. All forecasts verified and compared. As indicated in the data, 30 rates achieved 1.3% ROI and $0.2063 accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Now we're turning to the comparison of tomorrow's expected gains for SUI and other selected cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow's forecast ranking puts SUI in the lead with 2.3%. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the wider ranking across many cryptocurrencies is already online. If you prefer quick overviews instead of watching endless analyst videos, like and subscribe to keep it easy. Take care, everyone.